In this video, we're going to be looking at sedimentary structures. There are different ways that you can get sedimentary structures. Some of the structures are created by water or wind, which moves the sediment, and other sedimentary structures form after deposition, such as footprints, worm trails, desiccation, cracks. Even a spider walking over a mud will give a sedimentary structure. Sedimentary structures can provide information about the environmental conditions under which the sediment was deposited. Again, another clue to the history of the Earth. Some sedimentary structures give us information about the energy level of the water, because some of them form in quiet waters under low energy conditions, whereas there are others that form in high energy conditions where water is moving more rapidly. Stratification, or the layering of the sedimentary rocks, is a sedimentary structure in itself. The layers are visible because there is difference in the color, the texture, or the composition of the adjacent bed. This strata or layer is special. It's called graded bedding. The grain size in a graded bed is coarser at the bottom and finer at the top. It results when a sediment-laden current, just like turbidity currents, begins to slow down. The larger particles deposit first, followed by the finer particles. The water is sorting the particles by size. The other thing we see is ripple marks. Ripple marks are undulations of the sediment surface produced by wind or water and as it moves across the surface of the sand. Symmetrical ripple marks are produced by waves splashing back and forth. Asymmetric ripples form in unidirectional currents. They can form in streams or even rivers, or larger, they can form dunes. This sedimentary structure should be familiar to you. They're mud cracks, and not only can we see them in the present, but we can also see them in the past. Oftentimes, you can use sedimentary structures to determine which way is up. We did this in our lab. You can look at graded beds, cross beds, mud cracks, scour marks, symmetrical ripples, stromatolites, burrows, and even other trace fossils such as tracks. I bet you never knew how interesting and how much information sedimentary rocks can have.